In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another page replit. Whether you're building a website, a simple app, or organizing code in a larger project, adding another page or file in Replites is quick once you know where to look. Let's walk through it together, and I'll explain what each step does so you understand why it matters. First, open your Replit workspace and look to the left-hand sidebar. This is your files area where every file and folder in your project lives. If you don't see it, the sidebar might be collapsed. Hover over the left edge or click the files icon to expand it. This view helps you keep everything neat and easy to find, especially as your project grows. Next, add a new file. At the top of the Files panel, click the Add File icon. It looks like a plus sign over a page. This button creates a blank file directly in your project. If you're working with folders and want the file inside a specific one, click that folder first so it lands in the right place. Now give your new page a clear, meaningful name and include the correct file extension. The extension tells Replit and other tools how to treat your file. For a web page, end it with .html, like about.html. For a Python file, use .py, like settings.py. Keep names simple, avoid spaces and special characters, and use hyphens or underscores if you need separators. Consistent naming makes your code easier to understand later. Once the file is created, click it to open and start adding your content. This can be code, text, or markup depending on your project. If you're adding an HTML page, you might start with basic structure, a title, a heading, and a paragraph to confirm it's working. If it's a Python file, add the functions, classes, or settings you plan to use. Replit saves your work automatically, but it's still a good habit to pause for a moment and make sure your changes appear in the files list without any warnings. You can also look for syntax highlighting, colors, and formatting that indicate Replit recognizes the file type correctly. That's it. You opened the Files panel, created a new file, named it with the right extension, and filled it with content. As a quick tip, keep your project organized early. Good names and tidy folders make everything easier as you add more pages. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Replit.